good people? Huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Today we're introducing the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe, an SUV that redefined elegance and power. Dressed in a breathtaking shimmery silver metallic, this vehicle stretching 190 inches in length, standing at a robust 67 inches tall, and boasting 110 inches wheelbase with a ground clearance of 7 inches. The Santa Fe is engineered to elevate every journey, whether you navigate city streets or exploring off-roading paths. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter inline turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering an impressive 277 horses and 311 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. This SUV sprint from 0 to 60 in just 6.3 seconds, reaching a top speed of 135 miles per hour. Balancing performance with efficiency, it achieves a 28 mpg on the highway, 20 mpg in the city, making it a perfect blend of power and practicality for any journey. Outgoing, adventurous, and drop-dead gorgeous, the all-new 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe is completely redesigned and rugged as ever. Also, this have an MSRP of $40,000. The Hyundai Santa Fe have its signature H throughout the whole vehicle. As we step inside of the Santa Fe, we're welcomed with luxurious leather seats that exude comfort and sophistication. Right here we're looking at a 12.3-inch digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your trip, compass, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your lane follow assist with your gap. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking with your interior down alongside your trunk release with your traction control. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control alongside your kid window lock. You have your collet mounted shifter. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at 12.3-inch touchscreen display with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Blue Link. You have your backup camera. You have your traditional radio shortcut with your hazard lights. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control. The buttons right here are your auto hold with your drive mode alongside your auto stop feature with your hill assist alongside your parking view with your parking sensor. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlets alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. You have 2 glove boxes for extra storage space. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect alongside your Blue Link. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with more gray leather seats. You have storage space beneath the center console. On the back of the passenger driver's seat, you have a USB outlet. On the B pillar, you have your air vent. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the third row seating. We're also greeted with great leather seats. You have your rear AC with your air vent. You have more cup holder areas in your third row seating. In the third row, I have little leg room. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 14.6 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 79.6 cubic feet. Wow, this is spacious. You could put a couple of 50-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to view the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next.